Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the issue you're not getting the open with Visual Studio Code when you are trying to open a particular folder. So here I'm in the desktop, I'm having so many folders. So if I just right click and I'm having the option which is to open with Visual Studio, but I'm not getting open with Visual Studio Code. So we are going to see how we can enable this option. So for this we're just going to install Visual Studio Code again. So for that, just go to Google and type download Visual Studio Code, and you'll be getting the first link. Click that, and you don't have to uninstall. Okay, so if you uninstall your existing Visual Studio Code, you will lose all your settings and the extensions. So you have to reinstall, configure it. So it's better not to uninstall. So just go here, and this is for Windows. I'll just click it, and the download will be getting started. So it's about 95 MB in size, so just be patient till then. So once the download is complete, just open it, and you can just close. You can just close this one. Okay, I'll just close this, and now let's just open it. The setup has been opened. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next. And here is the thing. Okay, so it's better to check all these options. First thing is we will check this create a desktop icon. Check this. And next one is add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu, and another one is Windows Explorer directory context menu. So this is the one that determines whether it should appear when we right click on a particular folder. So make sure that you are checking the other three checkboxes. The last two are already checked. After this, next, install. And that's it. You can just click on finish. And now we will be getting our Visual Studio Code. And if I go to extensions, and I'm having all the old extensions available, so nothing has happened to that. And now let's see the magic. So if I just go here, right click my Java project, and here you can see I'm having open with code, and if I open it, that particular folder gets automatically opened in Visual Studio Code. So that's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.